So, Amherst sophomores, it's going to be another semester, one where you are asked to adapt to all of the unknowns, while everyone just wants to get back to being a normal college student, and living the college experience you expected to have, to being back together with your friends, back to the laughter and adventures, to the late night conversations and the million other interactions that allow you to see the world differently and to feel yourself expand and grow just because of the amazing people you're surrounded by. All of those little encounters that all add up to a reminder of what's possible and of who you want to be. Most of all, to be able to make the unforgettable memories, the ones that are made together, the lifelong ones you reflect back on years from now. This experience, one that we're calling Take the Leap 2.0, that is what this experience is all about. It's about gathering together the people who still want this, who still want to create this with each other. It's about creating a space, one where these things can still happen. It's going to be a new kind of space, a new way to connect with each other, but still in the ways that we love. Think of it as a regularly scheduled play date with your friends, a mental health break in the middle of all the doing, a soothing sauna for your nerves, or a weird virtual summer camp for the COVID college experience. At its heart, this experience is simply about having real human connection with each other. All we need is people who want to choose it. All we need is you. We can still be the ones to make the difference in each other's lives. All of the laughter, connection, and memories, they can still happen. We just have to make that one choice. The choice to show up and create it together. Want in? Join us February 6th, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see what it's all about. We'll see you there.